Yeah, I'm so excited for this video. Hey vapors, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at the Me One by Smoking Vapor. Alright guys, yes, today we're looking at the Me One. This is by smokingvapor.com. I will leave a link below to where you can get it for just under $40 plus free shipping. It comes in 7 different colors. I have the Mystic one here, I believe. It is so pretty. Okay, so it just slides out of the package and it is way smaller than I thought, but that's not the only reason I am stoked. It is an all-in-one. So it does come with a little lanyard if you want to put that on it, and then it has 2 0.6 ohm mouth to lung coils. These are stainless steel 316L wire, and then it does have a charging cord. Oh, what? This is strange to me. This says USB. It's so flat. What? Then you have a user's manual and the teeny tiny little acrylic device. Look at this. This is the Mystic shell and the drip tip is acrylic as well. Here's where the little lanyard goes. It has 1 button. There's the charge port. It does have an 1100 milliamp hour battery. Here is the viewing window for the e-liquid. So it also comes in black sand, lava shell, this Mystic shell, ocean shell, purple shell, and yellow shell. And they all have these cool acrylic drip tips. You can fill it up with 3.5 milliliters of e-liquid, and the dimensions are 47 by 42 by 22 millimeters. So this does have 1 button, so it adjusts. It's a direct voltage output based on the resistance and the battery state. The minimum resistance that you can put on this little guy is 0.3 ohm. It is top fill, top airflow, and it has a child lock cap. So let's go ahead and you push down and twist to get it open. And then it spins open like so. So let's attach a coil to it and fill it up. It's so cute. It's so light too, like, but it's so cute. I wish I had my To-Go Mini by Kangertech to compare the size right now, but I actually have let a friend borrow that vape. So I'm filling it up today with Lush by Vape Milk. So good. It's a honey pineapple vape, and I'm loving it. There is a max fill line on the little viewing window, so you don't want to go higher than that, otherwise you're going to have spillage once you put the coil and the airflow shaft thing down in there. I don't even know like what is a good term, because I honestly, like, every time I say like shaft or nipple, people have to be like, oh, I'm 12. So here are the coils. It does come with 2, but not a pre-installed one, so you have to fend for yourself. Just kidding, you just have to put a coil in. And just like most of the all-in-ones, you just attach the coil head to the base of the little air shaft and spin it on and thread it on carefully so it's nice and good. And these, yep, 0.6 ohm mouth to lung, good for 15 to 25 watts, but like I said, this is a direct voltage based device, but you know, voltage is wattage and wattage is voltage, and just, oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna thread it on, and then I'm gonna also put the lanyard on because, oh, why not? Here's a little airflow ring. You can see like the big circle, little circle, little circle, so as you spin it, the airflow adjusts. Man, this is so light. It's like I don't even have a vape, but it's so stinking cute. I can't. And it's pretty too. Like, it's not just a blah. It is a cute little device. So let's see how to get this on correctly. I don't know. So I kind of have it attached. It's not like the normal type of lanyard that I'm used to, so I don't know how much I would trust that, like flinging it around or anything, but it's cute and it matches the drip tip. So I'm wondering if like all of the lanyards match the drip tip, like it's a red lanyard, red drip tip. I'm not loving the lanyard, so we're taking it off. This does have a few protection features such as short circuit protection, low battery protection, and low resistance protection. It's just so flippin' cute. I can't, you guys. Like, look, I can almost hide it all the way in my hand, and somebody with bigger hands than me could probably hide it. So all around, even at the most open airflow, it has a pretty tight airflow that I can just by test vaping it, prime puffing it. So 5 clicks to the SV fire button turns it on. And it does have a battery light indicator, so when it's fully charged, it's at green. it is a 0.6 ohm, so that's sub-ohm, so you can definitely lung hit it, like direct to lung, but the airflow is pretty tight, so it's definitely makes you want to do mouth to lung instead, but you can pretty much vape it either way. It's so cute. I can't get over it. I just stop saying how cute it is. You guys know. Like, look how little it is. Like, here's my beloved all-in-one, the Cup D, and here's the Me One. Me One and Cup D is so little. You guys didn't see that, but this guy fell down. Man, for a little tiny thing, I can get some clouds, bitch, out of this. Pretty simple little basic little mod that has a pretty design on it. Why don't you guys take a good look at that? Ooh, so pretty. It's all around. Oh, I love it. Interesting choice for the drip tip, but the drip tip is also removable, but interesting choice to do the red with the Mystic Shell, which is like purpley blues and pinks and greens and teals. I love this thing. It's so cute. And I will leave a link below to where you can get this down in the description box. That's it for the video. Super simple little one button mod. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up for all-in-ones because they're my favorite. Check the description box below for important links like where to get my favorite things like e-liquids, mods, etc. You can follow me on almost any social media site like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, or Snapchat. All those social media links will be below as well. And one more thing before you go. If vaping is something you're passionate about, please consider joining CASA.org and fight for your right to vape. So as always, I'm Tia, and thank you so much for watching.